Now the question is aromatic amines, example aniline, that cannot be prepared by Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Why? So we have seen in Gabriel Thalamide synthesis only aliphatic amines are prepared. So aliphatic amines are prepared by using Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. So we cannot prepare an aromatic amine by using Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. So aliphatic amines can be prepared by Gabriel Thalamide synthesis, but aromatic amines cannot be prepared by Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. So let's see the reason. So in aliphatic amines, for the preparation of aliphatic amines, we have used an alkyl halide. So alkyl halide can be written RX. So an alkyl halide is used for the preparation of aliphatic amine in the case of Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. So in the case of RX, the CX bond present in this alkyl halide is weaker. It is actually weaker. The CX bond in alkyl halide is weaker and it is easy to break. So this bond can be broken easily. This bond is weaker and can be broken easily. So the substitution reaction takes place easily and aliphatic amines are produced very fast. So in alkyl halide, the CX bond is weaker and can be broken easily and substitution reaction takes place and an aliphatic amine is produced. But in the case of aryl halide, if we are using an aryl halide, say ARX, if it is ARX, it is an aryl halide. So in the case of aryl halide, the CX bond, actually the CX bond in aryl halide is stronger. It is stronger and it is difficult to break. It is difficult to break. So in the case of aryl halide, the CX bond is stronger and cannot be broken easily. So it cannot be broken easily and the substitution reaction will not take place easily and we cannot prepare aromatic amine. So why this CX bond is stronger or why it is difficult to break the CX bond in the case of aryl halide? So let's see that reason also. So in the case of aryl halide, we know that there is a chance of resonance. So we can draw the resonance structures for aryl halide. So in the case of aryl halide, we know that there are lone pairs of electrons on this X or halogen atom. So in the case of aryl halide, we know that there are lone pairs of electrons on halogen atom and they are in resonance with the electrons of the ring. And resonating structures are possible. We can draw the resonating structures. So the first resonating structure will be, so this electrons are shifted towards here and there will be a double bond. And there is deficiency of electrons and there is a positive charge and here there is a negative charge. Electrons are here. Then this will be the first resonating structure. So while drawing the resonating structure, we can see that there is a double bond character. There is a partial double bond character. Between CX bond in between C and X, there is a partial double bond character. And we know that the double bond is stronger than a single bond. So this CX bond is stronger. So because of the partial double bond character, the CX bond in aryl halide is stronger and cannot be broken easily and substitution reaction will not take place easily and aromatic amines cannot be produced. So in short, we can say In Rx, in alkyl halide, the CX bond is weaker. The CX bond is weaker and can be broken easily. So we can prepare an aliphatic amine very fast. But in the case of an aryl halide, the CX bond is stronger due to resonance. There is partial double bond character. Due to resonance, there is partial double bond character. So it can't be broken easily. So these are the points. So in alkyl halide, the CX bond is weaker and it can be broken easily. But in the case of aryl halide, the CX bond is stronger due to resonance. We have seen the resonating structures and the partial double bond character. So due to resonance, there is partial double bond character. So it is very strong and this bond can't be broken easily. So substitution reaction will not take place and aromatic amines cannot be produced. So aromatic amines cannot be prepared by Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Only aliphatic amines are prepared using Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. So this is the explanation.